Hello students, this is your second class with me. So today we started with page number 8 and it completes up to page number 13. And the topic is dependence of plants and animals. Dependence of plants on animals. From page number 1 to 7, we know that how animals including human beings depends on plants. But today we know just the reverse process. That is how plants depend on us. That is the animals. So at this page number 8, the most important topic is pollination. In Bengali, it is called Parag Jog. Now, we must know that what is pollination. Pollination is a process by which the pollens of one flower transfer to the stigma. What is stigma? Stigma is a part of female reproductive system of a plant. So, I repeat, pollination is a process by which the pollens of one flower transfer to the stigma of a same or different flower through some media like animals, air, water, etc. But now we only concern with various types of animals for pollination in this chapter. Okay? So, by hearing my lecture, you must write the definition of pollination in your exercise book because it's a very important question. Now, next page, that is the page number 9. And the topic is fruits and seeds dispersal. It's just a continuation of pollination because through pollination, seed dispersal occurs. Seed and fruit dispersal help them to germinate. That's why their reproduction continues. Now you thoroughly read page number 8 and 9 and complete the chart of page number 9. And this time, I don't help you. Okay? Next, page number 10 and 11. And the main topic of these two pages is symbiosis. In Bengali, it is called mithojibita. And in English, it is symbiosis. Symbiosis is a union of two or more organisms who live together or survive in nature by helping one another. So I repeat again, the definition of symbiosis is that it is a union of two or more organisms who live together and survive in nature by helping one another. Various examples of symbiosis are present in page number 11 and their related figures are present in page number 10. Now in page number 12, there is a prey and predator relationships. Some animals eat another comparatively small animals for living. And you all know that in the whole world there is a chain system of food. So, those who prey on other are predators and preys are those whom the predators eat. Now, there is a very easy chart in page number 12 which you have to complete as a homework. Finally, page number 13. And it's enough for today. The main topic of page number 13 is parasitism. That is in Bengali is called Porojibita. At first, you have to know that what is parasites, অর্থাৎ পরজীবী. Then you have to know that what is parasitism. Now, what is parasite? Parasites are those living bodies who depend on other animals for food, shelter, etc., and they also doing harm for the host. In case of symbiosis, there is no harm for each other. But in case of parasitism, the parasites causes harm to their host. And this incident is called parasitism. In page number 13, there are various examples of parasites and hosts, which are very important for you. You must read carefully the YOLO chart of page number 13 below, where various examples of parasites are given. I give you some pictures of your reference, such as some parasites, such as the image of pollination, image of symbiosis, and it may help you as a reference picture. Okay? So, this is enough for today. Take care and bye.